Hello everyone, I'm Sabrina and welcome to my channel. So this video is really to explain what it's about. It's about making the previous video where I had some false starts and then I was distracted either by my phone or it's the school holidays right now. So my son was distracting me, or if it's not that, it's also the guinea pig. Oh, we've got so many different disruptions. So I had to start videoing many times, but I will put at the end what I will call a bloopers video, and I will put just a very few of those. Hopefully it will make you giggle for the day, or even just for 2 seconds. It doesn't matter, just a little giggle. And there we are. Happy knitting and crochet, everyone. Hello everyone, I am Sabrina and welcome to my channel. Sorry everyone, I'll start again.
Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina. Welcome to my channel.
Oh no. Sorry. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina. And did I just say that? Let's start again. Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina and welcome to my channel. It is 10:45 a.m. on Saturday, 26th of November, and it is time. It's not, is it?
Hello everyone and welcome to...